So this year I'm starting all over again, and this video is like introductory video of what my this channel will be in 2024 and my plans to achieve my goals on this channel. So guys, please stick around. In March 2023 something happened to my channel, and I know this was inevitable, but it turns out into a huge problem that I need to fix this year. One of my dreams in life is to become a successful YouTuber. Making YouTube videos has given me an opportunity to express my creativity. It has helped me build my confidence and allow me to connect with amazing people, my subscribers. When I started this channel in late 2022, I had posted like 12 videos about work from home jobs, and the highest view I got in any of the videos was like 22 views. So I decided to make a reaction videos from a clip from a news channel, and this happened. This particular videos got 22,000 views, and my subscriber count went from 100 to 700 plus in just 1 week of publishing that video. But because I don't want to be flagged for copyright and repetitive content by YouTube, I started making videos about AI, personal development, and how to make money online. And this change resulted in low views on this channel. What I've learned from this experience is that those 700 subscribers from that particular video don't watch my recent content because the videos are not the kind of content they subscribe for. So this year I'm starting all over again, and this video is like an introductory video of what my channel will be all about and my plans to win on YouTube this year. So if you subscribe through that video that went viral, I apologize that I have to go this part. Honestly, I'm super excited to keep working on my channel and learning and growing, even if it means that I have to start all over again and rethink how I approach my channel and the content I share. So without wasting much time, these are my plans to win on YouTube this year. First, I plan to rethink my content pillar and find my uniqueness and stick with it. Of course, stay consistent. This year I decided to talk more about the topic I am interested in and just to see what worked and what didn't. I will focus more on personal finance, that is how to make legit money online, AI, digital product, and personal growth. I enjoy sharing and talking about all these topics. I'm just the kind of person that when I learn something, I just want to share it with you guys. Recently I have been learning more about this topic, finance, AI, and personal growth, and I think that's why I love content creation so much. And ultimately I will really just want to share what I learn along the way, and when I find a topic that resonates with my audience, I will narrow some of the topic down a bit. I also want to make sure that I am providing value and helping people learn something in any of my videos or sharing a unique perspective on something. Next, I'm going to be focusing on a lot more on titles and thumbnail. I feel like every big YouTuber advice is to start planning your videos by planning out the title and the thumbnail. So my goal this year is to start my video planning by starting with the thumbnail and the title of the video. Learn the effective ways to do keyword research with vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I will always want to make sure that I push myself to improve the quality of my content by learning more about video editing, taking new course on video editing, and trying new editing styles to find the particular one that resonates with my audience. And lastly, I still have a lot to learn on YouTube, and I want to make sure that I'm committing myself to literally studying and learning as much as I can. And if you have stayed with me, thank you very much, and I say happy new year to you guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.